Ma'am, it is a way of communicating in an attractive way.
Yes. For, it is used for which purpose?
Uh, for various purposes like advertisements, for information to
Yes.
the society.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see the detail given
Uh,
on the screen that a poster is an informative, often illustrative piece of communication. You might have seen sometimes in the newspapers कुछ pamphlets आते हैं, या आप देखते हो कई बार रोड्स के ऊपर, स्क्वायर्स, चौराहों के ऊपर पोस्टर्स लगे होते हैं, ठीक है. So these type of posters give us some information. A poster is an informative, that means it gives us some information, often illustrative, कुछ उसमें explanation भी दी जाती है, illustrate भी किया जाता है. Piece of communication, it is written, it can be in the written form also, and it is written with a particular target audience in view. कि particular target रखा जाता है एक mind में कि किस purpose के लिए इसको दिया जा रहा है और उसके audience कौन से होंगे, हमारे कौन से audience होंगे जिनके लिए हम ये poster दे रहे हैं. So it is an effective and visually attractive means of making an appeal or announcement. किसी चीज के लिए हम कोई appeal करना चाहते हैं, कोई announcement करना चाहते हैं, for that it is a very effective and attractive means to advertise a product or to bring about awareness among the masses on any topic of public interest. कोई भी लोगों के interest का कोई topic होता है, या आप लोगों को किसी चीज के बारे में अवेयर करना चाहते हो, you might have done the advertisements also. These posters are used for advertising purpose also. So its main aim is to make a fervent appeal about something. It is usually put on bulletin board to attract the immediate attention of the people. It is easily readable from a distance. So note down, the main purpose is to make an appeal for something, and usually the posters are placed on the notice board also, and it is to attract the immediate attention of the people. It should be in such bold handwriting that it can be readable from a distance. कि अगर चौक में कोई पोस्टर लगा हुआ है तो आप वहाँ खड़े होकर उसको पढ़ो, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. You can read it while moving. वहाँ से क्रॉस करते हुए भी आप इसको पढ़ सकते हो. तो इस तरीके से क्या होता है, पोस्टर जो है इस वे में होना चाहिए कि आप उसको चलते चलते पढ़ सको, रीडेबल होना चाहिए. Then political parties, religious organizations, educational institutions, and many individuals spend a lot of money on the production and display of attractive and catchy posters. Many advertising agencies and event managers make extensive use of posters. Posters are designed keeping in view the audience that is to be made aware of something. किन लोगों को अवेयर करना है उस चीज़ के बारे में, या किन से अपील करनी है, किन लोगों को हमने कोई मैटर बताना है, कोई इवेंट के बारे में बताना है. वी शुड कीप द ऑडियंस इन आवर माइंड. Visuals, slogans, and pithy and catchy phrases are used in the posters accordingly. Please note down this point. You can use any slogan, you can write any catchy phrases, you can use any visuals, means कोई भी picture, drawing वगैरह बनाकर आप किसी भी point को highlight कर सकते हो. Posters are made to inform the people about exhibitions, fairs, fashion shows, concerts, and cultural programs, etc. So it can be used to give information about some exhibition, some fairs, fashion shows, concerts or any cultural program. आप देखते हो जब सेल लगती है, विंटर सेल है या समर सेल है, तो बहुत से पोस्टर्स या पैम्फलेट्स बनाकर न्यूज़पेपर्स में दिए जाते हैं. यू रीड इन द न्यूज़पेपर इटसेल्फ ऑल्सो. देन ऑन द स्क्वेयर्स, जहाँ बड़े मेन मार्केट्स के अंदर चौक के ऊपर ऐसे पोस्टर्स जो हैं वो लगाए जाते हैं टू अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन ऑफ द people and to make them aware about those things. They are also made to make the people aware of the new products that have been launched in the market recently. कोई नई product market में आती है, for that introduction and for that awareness also these posters are used. Now, note down what are the purpose of the posters, which we have already discussed, but in the form of points, you can note down somewhere. First, to announce a cultural show, exhibition, workshop, fair, etc. To make the public aware about some problem. आपकी सोसाइटी में, आपके एरिया में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, you want to make the people and the public aware about that, you can make a poster and display it in your area. Or you have any problem, a social problem, an economical problem, or any issue, you can raise that and make the people aware about that by making a poster and by displaying it. To warn or caution against some danger. किसी खतरे के लिए आप लोगों को प्रिकॉशंस देना चाहते हो, लोगों को अलर्ट करना चाहते हो, वार्न करना चाहते हो, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो द पोस्टर इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल. यू माइट हैव सीन nowadays many posters are being shown on TV, on the in the newspapers, on the roads, making us aware about this coronavirus, how we can save us. Many type of posters are being displayed to make the people aware about this danger and to warn them. Then what should be the layout? A poster should be eye catching, मीन्स उसमें जो वर्ड्स लिखे हैं वो आपको दूर से ही अच्छे से पढ़े जाने चाहिए. मीन्स आपको फॉन्ट साइज उसमें बड़ा यूज करना है, छोटे साइज में नहीं लिखना. इट शुड हैव अ कैची टाइटल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्लोगन और जिंगल. जिंगल समझते हो, जैसे राइमिंग लाइंस होती हैं पोएम की, इस वे में आप जिंगल यूज कर सकते हो, स्लोगन लिख सकते हो किसी भी पोस्टर के टाइटल को देने के लिए. बट इट शुड बी ब्रीफ, इन सिंगल लाइन. बहुत ये नहीं, पैराग्राफ नहीं बनाना, टू लाइंस में नहीं लिखना. जैसे आप लोगों ने, कईयों ने लेटर में जो सब्जेक्ट बनाया हुआ है वो टू लाइंस में एक्सप्लेन करा हुआ है. इट शुड बी ब्रीफ. व्हेनेवर यू गिव एनी हेडिंग इन द नोटिस और सब्जेक्ट इन द लेटर, and here also you are giving the title for the slogan, for the poster, it should be in brief in the form of a slogan, or you can write in the form of jingle. It should have some attractive sketch visuals. You can make any sketch, you can make any visuals, any drawings to highlight that particular point which you are giving in that poster. It should use fonts of different size. Different size के font आप use कर सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं कि सारे words एक ही size के हों. आप जिन points को highlight करना चाहते हो, आप उनको बड़े size में भी लिख सकते हो. उनका स्टाइल भी डिफरेंट कर सकते हो वर्ड्स का. यू कैन क्रिएट सम बबल्स, यू कैन क्रिएट सम बॉक्सेस टू हाईलाइट सम पॉइंट्स. एनीवे, creative which you can show your creativity here and you can highlight those points. Then the content, the theme and the subject of the poster should be clear. It should be very much clear from the title itself that what you are going to tell about in this poster. Description related to the subject should be given, details should be given about that subject, whatever the topic and the title you have taken. Some explanation, some description should be given about that what should be included in that. Details like date, time, venue in case of event must be provided. If you are organizing some event, you are explaining about some event, you need to explain the date, time and venue for that also. Particularly, the name of the issuing authority must be given. As it was told for the notice also, the same here, the date, time, venue should be there. Then name of the issuing authority must be given. Who is issuing that poster? कौन उसको इशू कर रहा है? कोई सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, कोई एनजीओ है, या कोई स्कूल है, या कोई कल्चरल कमेटी है. जो भी उस पोस्टर को इशू कर रहा है उसका नेम एंड में देना जरूरी है विद कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर. Please note down, contact number must be there, because if anyone wants to contact, if anyone wants to give any suggestion or participate in any of the event, or they want to get some information about that, they can contact you on the phone. Then note down the guidelines for framing the poster. Be brief but clear. जो भी point देने हैं आपको, all the points should be in brief in the form of headings and points, not in the form of paragraph. Paragraph नहीं बनाना है, short, brief, catchy points बनाने हैं आपको. They should be written in clear language. मेक योर पोस्टर अट्रैक्टिव एंड आई कैचिंग। अट्रैक्टिव उसको कैसे बना सकते हो, आप उसको कलरफुल भी कर सकते हो, आप उसमें कोई पिक्चर भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो सो दैट इट कैन अट्रैक्ट द ऑडियंस। use appropriate slogans and visuals. You can write any slogans, you can write any quotation, you can write visuals, make visuals to attract, arrange the contents in an appealing manner। अच्छे से उस कंटेंट को अरेंज भी करना है, उसका लिंक बनना चाहिए आपस में। mention relevant contact details should be given, contact details must be given, don't forget to mention the name of the issuing authority। then format of a poster, theme, topic, event means heading या title जो भी आप देना चाहते हो, उसका purpose and occasion क्या है, क्या purpose है पोस्टर देने का, किस occasion पे वो event या कोई भी activity या कोई function organize किया जा रहा है, what is the date, time and place, conveying a message of appeal, awareness, warning or invitation, what message is being conveyed. It should be clear from your poster whether you are making an appeal, you are making warning, giving warning to the people or the public, you are making them aware about some social issue or some problem, or you are inviting some people or the public for some cultural show or some exhibition or for some sale, for any purpose you are inviting them. Catchy slogans and captions can be added. Name of the individual organization issuing the poster should be written at the end or in between somewhere also you can add. Clear? I hope the points are clear to you. Now coming to the first example, solved example given in your practice paper. If you don't have, please note down and see carefully. I'll send you this PDF so that you can go through once again all the samples given. All the solved samples I have taken in this PDF and you can go through that. We'll discuss here one or two examples. First is, you are Vinayak or Revati from Green School, Thoothukudi. You read an article about the proposed garbage segregation program in the neighborhood. You understand? Proposed garbage segregation program. Garbage को separate करने का जो program जो है वो चलाया गया है. You have read about that, an article which is set to begin from next week. It is going to be started next week. You decide to make a poster telling your neighborhood about the program and the value of segregation. आपने article पढ़ा उसके बारे में. The program is going to begin from the next week. But you want to make your neighborhood aware about this program and the value of segregation. किस चीज़ की क्या importance है, आप अपने अड़ोस पड़ोस के लोगों को अपने एरिया में, अपनी लोकेलिटी में लोगों को अवेयर करना चाहते हो इस चीज़ के बारे में. So you have to draft the poster to be put up in your neighborhood, and again the word limit for you is, as it was in the notice writing, 50 words. Text matter should be in the 50 words. So the heading is given, to ensure Swachh and green environment, follow garbage segregation system. That means in the title itself, we come to know about an appeal, a request made to the people that we should follow garbage segregation system. See the heading given in the bold letters, in the capital letters to highlight in different color. Then learn the value and importance of garbage segregation. Why? What is the purpose of giving? That is given to you in the next line. Again, you are given some words in the capital just to highlight the garbage segregation. क्या problem क्या है, क्या system है, या क्या what is the thing that you are going to make them aware about, that they should know about the value and importance of garbage segregation. So note down some important points mentioned about that. You have to write the points in this way, either making some bullets or making star in between. Don't make the paragraph. Note down, this is very important thing. Don't write anything in the form of paragraph because it should be readable from a distance. Catchy slogans and the phrases should be used. Plastic, paper, मेटल आर रिसाइक्लेबल, मतलब आप उनको रिसाइकल कर सकते हो, यूज कर सकते हो. फिर से, ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट कैन बी टर्न टू यूजफुल कंपोस्ट. मतलब इसको क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, क्यों हम सेग्रीगेट करना चाहते हैं, उसके उन्होंने पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं, रीजंस दिए हुए हैं कि एक तो पहली चीज कि इन चीजों को रिसाइकल किया जा सकता है, अगर सेपरेट होंगी दैट कैन बी इजीली रिसाइकल्ड. Then organic wastes can be turned to useful compost. What we call organic waste, you have read in science also, जैसे vegetables हैं, fruits हैं, उनके peels, उनके छिलके जो हैं, तो आप उनको अगर separate रखते हो तो that can be turned into useful compost. खाद बन सकती है उससे. Reduce amount of waste getting into landfill. Reduce करें इस waste को getting into landfill, जमीन के अंदर दबाने से. Then again you can see they have made 3 boxes. Keep separate containers, one for biodegradable, second for recyclable, and third one non-biodegradable. You know the meanings of all these, you have read in the science. And it is written use me. That means we should keep 3 containers or the 3 dustbins for using segregation of the garbage. Then they have told about this program also, that garbage segregation program in Gandhinagar, Thoothukudi, from 16th August 2000. You can fill the blank or you can leave it onwards. Join the program and encourage the initiative. They have started one program and they want the leaders or the initiators who can come forward to make the people and the public aware about that. Then at the end, issued in public interest by Revati Green School, Thoothukudi. You are given this name in your topic. Name is given Vinayak or Revati from Green School. So this awareness is being made on behalf of the school through some leader, say student कैबिनेट के मेंबर होते हैं ना, कोई हेड गर्ल है, कोई हेड बॉय है, या कोई कल्चरल कमेटी का मेंबर है, कोई प्रेसिडेंट है, क्लीनलीनेस कमेटी बनी हुई है उसका मेंबर है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली इफ एनी डेजिग्नेशन इज गिवन you can mention that. If it is not given, then leave it. Name is given, you have mentioned the name here. Then from school side it is issued in the public interest, so the name of the school is mentioned. You can add the contact number here. Clear? Coming to second example, we will discuss one more example. Your school Kendriya Vidyalaya Burdwan is going to organize a Diwali Mela. Design a poster to inform the students about various activities connected with it. Ask them to participate in the Mela. You are Divya or Devan. So this poster is specially for the school students. You are to inform the students about the various activities that are going to be conducted in the Mela, Diwali Mela, which the school is going to organize. Name is given to you, name of the school is given, so accordingly see how the poster is framed to make it attractive. They have given the border and on the both sides the lights are given, symbol of Diwali celebration, diyas are there, candles can be shown. Then what is written, come one, come all. That means to encourage the participants, to invite their participation. It is written, come one, come all. What is the occasion? Grand Diwali Mela. And the students are invited by giving them attractive wording, awaits you all celebration on 15th November. When the celebration is going to be on 15th November from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. at Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhavan, Gandhi Road, Burdwan. You are given the date, you are given the time, you are given the venue, and the occasion is already mentioned. Then you have to tell about the various activities, what are going to be held in that Mela for which you are participating, the students to participate. Various activities, sweets and fast food stalls will be there. They can enjoy by eating these things. Tambola game will be there, fun games, quiz contests, fashion show, art and handicraft exhibition, fireworks at night from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Please note down how these activities are mentioned in short phrases, giving the bullets or the stars to highlight in the form of points, not in the form of paragraph. Then the name is mentioned, contact Divya 12th for more information, issued by Divya, and you can mention the name of the school also because it is given to you in the topic, and the contact number. Clear? Let me discuss one more. Draft a poster making people aware of Pradhan Mantri's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, you know all, that was launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And for that, you have to prepare a poster. Swachhta, essence of life. See the phrase given to attract the attention, and from the very title, we come to know what is it about. Then in the middle, highlighting the topic Swachh Bharat Abhiyan will make Bharat disease free. In the form of slogan, it is mentioned. And then on the left side and the right side, we are given so many points: fresh air, pollution free environment, cleanliness, good and healthy for morning walkers, every discarded thing in litter boxes, dust free streets, clean surroundings, no foul smell, no dirt, filth. Okay, what would be the result? On one side that is given, on the left hand side we are given what to do, and on the right side we are given what would be the result. No foul smell, no dirt and filth on the roads and streets, no empty bottles, no plastic plates and bags, no choking of trains, no mosquitoes and no malaria, no dengue. Endeavor to make Bharat Swachh. Then one visual is also given. Swachhta next to godliness. They are using here the quotation Swachhta next to godliness, and it is issued by any organization you can mention, issued in the interest of public by some social organization. You can mention any name of any organization with the contact number, which is missing from here, but it should be mentioned. Clear? So we have discussed three examples, and I hope that the thing will be clear to you. If you still have any doubt, you can ask.